In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a grouped and a stacked bar plot. In a previous lesson, we created this bar plot. So in this bar plot, we had only one explanatory variable, which was a variable that we created at the intersection of the gender identity of the respondent in this CFPB Financial Wellbeing Survey and whether they lived in a smaller house or not. So we had four categories or four levels inside this variable, and for each category we calculated the average financial well-being score of the respondents. Now in this lecture we are going to further complicate this bar plot. We are going to add one more factor or one more explanatory variable, which is the annual household income. Now in the data set that we are working with, the income variable is known as the PP Inc. IMP, and it has been coded as 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go back to the code book and see what this means, and I already did that. And first what I'm going to do is change these 1, 2, 3, 4s to the income categories that these numbers refer to. And I have already written my code, and I'm just going to select this and click run. So this is going to change the 1, 2, 3, 4s to the income category description. Now once we have this thing done, we want to incorporate this PP Inc. IMP variable into our table, and we're just going to select this and click run. So this is going to add one more factor into the summary statistics table that we created. And as you can observe that presenting this information in a table format, this isn't the best way to do it, and we should rather present this information in a grouped bar chart format. So now to create the grouped bar chart, all we have to do is type fill equals PP Inc. IMP, and then inside this geombar function we have to put position equals dodge, and then inside this labs function we just type fill equals household income, and then we can just select this and click run. So this will create the grouped bar chart that we wanted. Now we can convert this grouped bar chart into a stacked bar chart, and to do that we just change the dodge to stack, and then we select the code, and just as before click run. This will create the stacked version of the same bar chart. But in this particular context I would rather present my bar chart in a grouped bar chart format, but I just wanted to show you that you can easily convert this into a stacked bar chart as well.